guys, Bentley here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup Monday for mature skin. Ha! There, we got it all in there. And today we are testing out the Pur Cosmetics 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie. That's what foundation this is. And this is the color MN3. Let's get started. I have already sprayed my face with my Milky Mist and added my Tarte Base Tape Primer. So we're all primed up. Let's just put some of this on the back of my hand. See, it looks pretty dark, but we'll do what we gotta do, right? We'll just be tanner. I was gonna self-tan, but I'm still trying to get the dog and cat together, and I didn't have time. I guess we're gonna do it not the Scott Barnes way today, because I just put foundation all over my skin. So we're gonna do it the old way. But as you can see, it looks pretty dark. So for the old way, we're gonna use, oh, maybe we'll use that new Sigma brush. Here it is right here. And we'll just spread this out. Okay, this brush is not as stiff as I like for my foundation. It's just got a little too much give in it for me. I think it's for foundation. Flat kabuki, that's all it says, which to me, a flat kabuki is perfect for foundation. But I think because of the dual fiber or something, it's just seems to bend over a little too much for me. Maybe they all do that, and I just haven't been using a. But I've been using that Eco Tools one, and it's perfect. Oh well. I'm sure I'll find another use for this that I love. Because it's a nice soft brush. Just not my favorite for foundation. Let's see. I look very tan. But that's okay, it's summertime. I should be tan. I like it though. Alright, let's go over it with the sponge, which hopefully will tone down a little of this color. I mean, yeah, the darkness, you know. It doesn't really need a sponge, but I just want to make sure it's all pressed into the wrinkles. Wow, this one's nice. I may have to go back and get a better color. Or get a tan. Maybe I'll use this for my summer one after I tan, self-tan. Yes, I'm loving this. This one looks great. I think that this one, oh, I forgot to read you anything about this one. Oh, it's 4-in-1, so you can use it as a concealer or a foundation. It says concealer, unscrew cap, and reveal a doe foot. See? It's got a pump for your foundation, and then a doe foot for concealer. I'm not going to use it for concealer because it's way too dark. Okay, so we are going to move on to concealer. I'm going to use the Born This Way because it seemed like yesterday the Jouer was not playing well with the NARS foundation. So I thought, I remember using the Born This Way and I liked it too. So we're going to try that one today. And since this foundation's kind of dark, we're going to go easy on it. That's all I'm gonna do. That's pretty darn easy for me, huh? I'm not going to use a cream contour today. I'm just going to use powder. So now I'm going to powder my eyes with my Brighten Up. Now, I'm going to take my fluffy brush, and I'm going to use my Sigma F30, and I'm just going to spread this around, rather than trying to put on my Laura Mercier and double up on the powder. I'll just spread this to the rest of my face. And that should do it for setting my yeah, it still looks really, really good. It's not sinking into lines, which is amazing. And it does seem to be playing pretty good with this concealer, this Born This Way concealer. So, I'm going to go off camera, finish my makeup, and I'll be back. And when I come back, I will have looked this up and we'll read about what it's supposed to do. It says 4-in-1, and it only showed concealer and primer. So, I mean, concealer and foundation. So I will see what the other two things are, and I'll be back. Alright guys, I am back. Makeup's all done. And this is what we're testing out, is the Pur Cosmetics 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation, and this is what it says about it. Let me put on some eyeballs here. It says, refined complexion perfection with Pur's groundbreaking long-wear foundation and concealer, formulated to instantly mask blemishes and imperfections, leaving behind a natural skin-like finish. This multi-purpose complexion miracle serves as both a foundation and a concealer with unique dual applicator component for quick, easy application. Okay, we already knew all that. Conceals blemishes, dark spots, imperfections with targeted doe foot applicator, or achieve flawless all-over coverage with the pump. Packed with skin-loving ingredients, this long-wear formula helps protect and high-energy visible blue light for a healthier-looking complexion. And then it gives key ingredients. It's vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, Keratin complex, helps smooth the skin. Polysaccharide film provides a protective, breathable film on the skin to help shield from environmental stressors like pollution. Lingonberry extract helps protect the skin against abuse caused by high energy visible blue light. Complex, a combination of ginseng, green tea, and vitamin B help to boost the skin's natural metabolism and rejuvenate the skin's appearance. Alright, that's it. So it says 4-in-1. I don't see the 4. I see 2. Maybe it's because it's got, well, I could see that the ingredients would be 1. Maybe it's got an SPF in it. I don't see one. It retails for $36, and it looks like it comes in, let's see, 2, 4, 6. Comes in 40 shades. So that's good. It's really got a big shade range. Although the deepest colors, it's only got probably 10. But that's still good, right? what was I looking for? I don't know. It gives you the 4 things. I don't see it. Huh. It says gift with purchase, a surprise sample pack. I didn't get any free sample pack. Prestige skincare. Anyways, that's all it says. It doesn't, that's the, I guess the third of the 4-in-1 would be the skincare ingredients, but I don't know what the 4th one is. Anyways, I'm liking it. It's beautiful. It definitely is beautiful. Let's see how it lasts all day long. So I'll be back at the end of the day to check in and let you know how it did up against hot flashes. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. It is the end of the day and I'm here for my final check-in for our Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup. And we are testing the Pur Cosmetics 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation and concealer. But I didn't use it as concealer. It's sinking into lines really bad. And it's like I can just push it out so it doesn't like settle in. I mean, it doesn't set. You know what I mean? It's still movable. It doesn't really come off. I really like it, but it did sink into this line big time because I just now went like this and it's out. But you can see I have glasses marks because I've been editing. So as much as I love it, I'm going to give it a thumbs down because it settles into wrinkles big time. And especially summer coming, this stuff would just melt off because it doesn't set. So, but keep it in mind for next winter because I really, really, really like the finish of it. It's nice and glowy. It's beautiful. It just, I mean, maybe if you don't have any wrinkles, but even if you don't have wrinkles, it's still like where my glasses were, and I'm sure if I would have touched it, I'm pretty good at not touching my makeup. But I don't know. Maybe if I get some Botox, then I won't have this one to worry about, and it'll be great, right? I even sprayed it with setting spray. I forgot to do it on camera, but I did go back and do it, and it still moves. I don't like movable makeup. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and share this on all your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!